I got a 26-year veteran right here. 26.
Hey, 32.
I got 32 years right here. 32 years. Hold on. I'm looking. Here comes. Everybody knows the Peyton Reese coming out of Ray Wormwood. Here she goes. 17 seconds time to beat. Oh, look at this. He's going one from a long way over there. Fell off the loop. That's her daddy. That's her daddy dog. Oh. All right. This is for Peyton Reese out of Ray Wormwood. 36 years. Where is he?
Good dog. You need it more now.
26 is still in. I'm 32.
I got a problem now. 32. I got a problem. He's 26 and still in.
I think she just showed you.
But I didn't say that, did I? I said you got the most time in the military.
That's what I heard.
Did anybody beat 32 years in the military? 32 years. Now, if you tell me you're in the Coast Guard, you ain't getting it. That means you got 12 years. No, I'm just kidding.
So I got Army and Air Force.
He's got Army and Air Force. What do you think? Do we give it to the man who's got 32 years? Only if I can hear you all go, USA!
USA! USA! USA!
USA! Thank you for your service, buddy. Thank you for your service. There's 17 seconds.
That's the one that took his life.
1, 2, 3, and 4. This side, 22-4. 22-4. 22-4.
So I got beat on that field.